Why you pull away. You're not cold, you're protected. Avoidant attachment is a shield. Avoidant attachment is a learned protection against emotional overwhelm. Closeness triggers a subconscious alarm. If I depend on you, you can hurt me. So you optimize for control, competence, and self-sufficiency. It works short-term, less drama, fewer demands, but costs you depth, vulnerability, and sustainable intimacy. This cycle looks like this: attraction to closeness, to discomfort, to distance, to relief, to regret. In that relief stage, you reframe the relationship to justify distance, like, I'm better alone, they're too needy, I'm just busy. The brain rewards distance with calm, so the pattern repeats.
7 signs of avoidant attachment. Relatable, no shame. 1. Hyper-independence. Pride in not needing anyone. Default answer is, I'm fine. 2. Low emotional granularity. Quick to label everything annoyed, tired. Struggle to name softer emotions. 3. Conflict equals exit. When tension rises, each change the subject, go logical, or leave. 4. Intimacy equals intrusion. Long texts feel demanding. Frequent check-ins read as control. 5. Idealization to devaluation. Early charm, then sudden ick once they get close. 6. Performance over presence. You do things for love. Fix, plan, pay, instead of share feelings. 7. Ghosting or slow fade. You avoid endings because confrontation feels unsafe. Which one hit hardest? Type number in comments.
Roots and reframes. Compassionate frame. Avoidance is not cruelty. It's an old solution to an old problem. If affection was inconsistent, intrusive, or conditional, your nervous system equated closeness with risk. Reframe 1. Space keeps me safe turns into boundaries plus honesty keep me safe. Reframe 2. Feelings are messy turns into name it to tame it. Precision lowers the heat. Reframe 3. Dependence is weakness turns into interdependence is adult strength. If you're willing to swap protection for connection, comment grow. Micro habits to shift towards secure. The 1% method, 3 daily reps. 1. Name the signal. I notice I'm shutting down. 2. Dose vulnerability. Share a 1-sentence truth. I'm overwhelmed. Can we talk at 7? 3. Repair ritual after distance. When I pulled back, I was anxious, not rejecting you. Scripts. Space and return. I need 30 minutes to reset. I want to finish this at 7. During conflict, I'm getting flooded. Short break, then I'll listen. After withdrawal, I went silent because I felt trapped. I care about you. I'm back. Practice ladder weekly. Week 1, send 1 appreciations text daily. Week 2, schedule 1 feelings check-in. 10 minutes, timer on. Week 3, disclose a fear from the past and how it shows up now. Screenshot this ladder. Try it for 21 days.
If you're dating an avoidant, don't. Don't pursue, threaten, interrogate, or love bomb. These spike their alarm and push them farther away. Do consistency over intensity. Use predictable plans, calm tone, appreciation, and clear invitations instead of demands. Examples. Instead of, why don't you ever open up? To, I love hearing your world when you're ready. Can we do a 10-minute check-in tonight? Instead of, answer now. To, no rush. Text me when you're free after 7. Instead of, if you loved me, you'd... To, what helps you feel safe when conversations get heavy? Boundary template. I won't chase, I'll be steady. If we go weeks without emotional contact, I'll step back. Drop steady if you're choosing calm over chaos. The anxious avoidant trap. Why it feels addictive. Dynamic. Anxious seeks closeness to lower anxiety. Avoidant seeks space to lower overwhelm. Pursuit triggers distance. Distance triggers pursuit. The intermittent connection spikes dopamine and hope, then crashes, like a slot machine. Exit ramps. Name the cycle together. Agree on repair windows. Text back within 24 hours after conflict. Co-design proximity. 2 solo nights plus 3 together nights. Learn regulation. Breath, cold water, 5 senses check. Type exit if you're done looping.
When to get help. You want closeness, but panic when you have it. You can't name feelings beyond angry or annoyed. Every conflict ends in withdrawal or silent treatment. You want to be secure for your future family or self. Therapy prompts. When did I first learn that closeness equals danger? How did my caregivers respond to feelings? What's my body signal before I shut down? Books and practices, breath work, somatic tracking, parts work, journaling, mindful dating. Comment secure if you're ready to practice.